Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming what your laptop's USB-C port actually supports and why that matters: power delivery, data rates, or video. Once done, pick a certified cable matching the highest feature you need: Thunderbolt for fast transfers or USB 3.2 for general use. Make sure to power off or disconnect sensitive devices before connecting. Then insert the connector firmly. USB-C is reversible, but a gentle push ensures full contact. This prevents intermittent negotiation problems and speeds up the next steps. Next, you configure both ends so the connection works as intended. Update drivers and firmware for the USB-C controller and check adapter compatibility. Not all adapters carry video or Ethernet. If using a PD charger, confirm wattage and negotiation in power settings. For video, connect the adapter, then open your OS display settings to choose the right resolution and refresh rate to avoid scaling issues. Finally, test file transfer and network links to ensure the negotiated mode matches the To finish, verify charging, data transfer, and video work together without overheating. Make sure your charger meets the device's wattage requirement. If something fails, start simple. Unplug and replug, try a different USB-C cable, or use another port. Once you isolate the problem, reset system management firmware or reinstall the USB controller driver if recognition fails. If video handshake or charging still misbehaves, replace the adapter or test with a known good host to determine if the laptop or accessory is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.